you need to bless God that you come across this video before September 1st or even after, because FG has just pledges 1 week passport delivery, and that came after the increment in fee for passports for 32 pages and 62 pages. So if you come across this video before September 1st, I need you to take action, and the action is that we can still help you get it at the normal fee, the previous fee before September. And even if after, even if you want to do it, even if you are watching this video after or during September, you can still get yours done. And don't worry, we'll do you well and give you a discount. All right. So regarding the news, we'll let you know what you need to know about the news in this video. And also, if you have any further questions, or maybe you want to make question, or maybe you come across anything while applying for your own passport online, don't forget you can do the application online. But you can do the application online, but you can't complete it online because you have to pick a date for your biometric and every other thing, because all the processes cannot be done online. You still have to visit the office. You still have to visit the office to make some payments. But if you cannot go through all of this, we are here for you to get it done for you. So let's start with this. So number one thing that you need to know about the news that FG just released is that there is no more middleman. Passport officers they cannot delay or block your applications anymore. Everything goes straight to the central system. Like everything goes straight to the central system. And what you need to know about this is that they said all backlogs have been cleared, and a new central printing center, which they claim to be the biggest in Africa, is now handling everything. So this means that passports can be processed like 5 times faster than before. 5 times faster than before. So there is no more middlemen. And the second thing about this is that we have 1 week delivery, and this also applies to what we explained earlier. So they've also tightened the security, and so foreigners can't sneak into the system to get Nigerian passport illegally. You understand? So these are one of the things that apply to this new, like we said earlier, tighter security, so that foreigners will no longer sneak, because there are a lot of claims previously that foreigners used to use corruption and used to bribe the officers to get their passports illegally and get their passport done illegally. But now there is more tighter security, and this will make Nigerians and a lot of people have access to the passports, and makes the process easier and faster. But here's the catch: the new fees are higher. Well, that's the thing that you need to know if you want to. Yoruba will say, "Oh, but don't do So if you want to get your passport done in 1 week, at least you have to pay the price, and this is the price. Here is the price for you. So 100k for 32 passport pages, and it lasts for 5 years, and 200k for 64 pages, and it lasts for 10 years. So yes, there is faster delivery, but also more expensive, as you can see. But if you are watching this video right now, you can still get yours done at the older price. All right, you can still get yours done at the older price, and that is why we are here. Don't forget to reach out to the number or check our email in our channel. So there's also less stress for Nigerians, and no more 6 months. Before, like the previous one, you have to wait for 6 months and so months, though not up to 6 months in some states. But in some states, which I don't want to mention, which I'm sure you guys know about, you have to wait for 6 months before you can get your passport. And this is a better image for Nigeria globally. You agree with me, right? Yes, you agree. You agree with me. So you can still get yours at the whole price before the price increment on September 1st, like the promise. And don't forget that CAC also will be increasing their price by September 1st. So all these things are the new development to compliance and registration now, which Nigerians need to conform to. And we don't want you to fall into the higher price. You understand? That is why we are always here to help you get your things done faster and quicker. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to do, and also do all those beautiful stuff like, comment. We will see you in our next video. Bye bye.